Save birds. Birds are an important part of our natural balance. Without birds, the existence of our environment may be in danger. It is the responsibility of all of us to save birds. We should be aware to save domestic and wild birds. We should provide safe habitat for them like planting trees and protecting nests. It is very important for them to avoid the dangers of power towers. We should be their support. If a bird gets injured, we should take it to the right place and get it treated. Society should take active part in the conservation of birds. Only with our contribution we can make our earth clean, safe and prosperous. Therefore, we should increase sensitivity toward birds and make efforts for their protection. Thanks for watching. Best of luck.